birdies. So guys, these are our little budgie parakeets. 2 boys, the green ones, Mango and Disco, and the 2 females are the blue ones, Maisie and Daisy. And it's feeding time for them and water time. Right, let's see.
Look. See, they see food, they know it's food.
Well, they're very naughty birds, guys. They keep flapping their wings. Oh, in case people want to know, we haven't wasted money on these birds. We've had these birds for 2 whole years now. So, at the end of the day, we haven't wasted money recently on them. We've actually had them for a few years, for over 2 years. I don't want to see your bum on camera. I don't want to see your bottom on camera. Do you guys like the clock that we got? It's got Arabic writing on it. I'm just watching TV. Hey, baby bird. Alex. Hey, baby birds. Baby bird.
They're hiding.
Baby bird. You were playing on the bridge earlier, weren't you? Oh, there we go. Hi, baby.
That's little Disco.
Hi, Disco. You're a good boy.
That's the female.
You're a good boy, Disco. Aww. You're my little bird baby. Yeah, you're my little bird baby.
It's chatting in that.
You're my little bird baby. My little birdie.
Those babies. Oh, that's gone to food.
Oh, God, guys. They are just so annoying. I mean, they're cute, but they're so messy. Every day my husband has to sweep up their mess. I mean, food is, you're supposed to eat food. You're not supposed to chuck it outside the cage.
They should eaters.
No, they literally, with their beak, they throw the seeds outside. With their beak. I saw him yesterday. It's very clever. Very clever birds. Yeah, you're very clever, you're very cheeky, and you're very naughty. Choo-choo. So cute little choo-choo. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Oh, you're cute.